Friend, now we will discuss how we can use condition, if condition takes Works2 with Mitsubishi PLC in ST language. So how we can use this one and how many types of we have here. So actually, the if condition is very useful in programming, and I will explain you some examples so in real projects so how I can using. And if you need this manual, I will send you in Telegram. You can write me. And this is a little bit more detailed manual for ST language. So how the first thing, this is a syntax is writing here in ST language. So first we need if and after conditions, and then and dash if and this must be after and if in any case write this. Otherwise there is error. This is the first example. If temperature less than 0, then heat. This is a bit one. So this is the bit memory setting 1. So setting 1 here. So this is variable. This is a comparison operation, and this one is a value. So comparison operations you can use anyone here. Just the simple if condition is like this: if some condition and another so statement here. But sometimes we have not just only one condition, we have some condition, or we have one condition and else here. So first condition is occurs, so statement 1, and another condition is statement 2. So like this, so there is a simple programming here. If temperature less than 0, so heater is on. So this is a bit 1, come on, and else heater become off. So this is only 2 conditions here, but we have a lot of conditions. So lot of statements here and conditions. First condition and first statement, and another condition, another statement. After else always is in the end. So this else if here you can make more, how many you need. So another conditions you can add here. So example is here: if temperature -0, then heater become on and cooling become off. Else if temperature, so this means here 840 minus temperature. So this means if temperature more than 40, so then heater off and cooling on. So this is the 2 conditions here, heating and cooling. If so there is no this all both conditions, so heat and cooling is off here. So we can see here, I have some examples here. For example, this when we see here in condition 2 point after equal, so this is a bit 1. So if you have some register, so here I have from me B228, so 228, so become 0. So here you no need so 2.10. This is a bit 1, and this is the registers. So you can see here I have all this condition in one line. So I can also do like this, or I can make in one string here. So I have three condition here. Moved 0, moved 1, and moved 2. So else I don't. So these three condition I make the bit logic here. So if mood 0, so another one logic. So mood 1, second logic. Same to case. Case if I use case here is also very so useful here. So very easy. So here another if I use this timer, if timer 0, then set so this thing, this register. So this is array. Set this arrays. So else I don't. Else and if. So this is a simple if here. So note also there is no different how many logic you have. If you want, you can use. Another I just want to show you if then and if. So another functions we have here, if you see from here starting from here. Okay. So this there is two conditions inside another one. So this first one and if here, and second one, first one only some value, some register and beats here. You can see this is beats and this is register. So when the pressure more than S3 control pressure. So another this condition should be occur inside this first condition. So this is here. This is a bit one. Same the main one. So completely same the another one. So this is with else if here, and this is a bit condition. So just what you need, what's the important in if conditions. So after and if you need to make comma here, this syntaxes you should be always make correct. Here we no need, and between to this on statement also need, and so and if also then we don't have. So this only the syntaxes you need to make correct, and the other things is not too much difficult. Just to make, and when some error is happening, you can cure easily.